Welcome to the historic Ruth Williams Bayview Opera House. We're ecstatic to be hosting our second SF Sounds concert series featuring the dynamic, the soulful August Lee Stevens, and the St. John Coltrane Church.
Basically, we're bringing you to a live recording session, and you're going to be experiencing everything through headphones.
I like to call it Tiny Desk meets Silent Disco. You don't know what's happening until you put on the headphones and listen to the actual magic.